Hello everyone, my name is Andre and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing set of HD security camera systems which come for in a set and they already installed all around my household. Of course, I have one on the front yard, one in the driveway, one on the backyard and one in the hallway in the house in order to monitor who's coming, who's leaving, what time. And I also like about this amazing security system that it has face detection. Eventually, if somebody will come, this face is gonna be taking a picture of it and sent to my phone in order to see who passed my way. And of course, same thing goes for the mobile phone. It has an application that you can easily monitor that also on your phone. Whatever it's on the screen right here is going to be showing up right here. And you have the sound mode. You can easily even talk through your phone through those cameras even if you're not home. And super easy to monitor also. You can choose one screen, you can choose separate screen in order to watch and monitor. So basically just scroll till you're gonna find your footage that you need. And of course you have the multiple functions. You can easily choose what camera you want to see. You have the channel set, record mode, playback, face detection, IPC cam, color settings, split menu, PTZ control, output adjustment, net detect, and multiple features that you can easily use while using this mouse that also comes in a set. And of course on the application, same thing, you can record, playback, all the footage that happens. Super easy to use. And of course this is a definitely recommendation for you guys if you're planning to install cameras in your household and you want to do it by yourself, because those cameras are super easy to install, super easy to use. And of course you have all the footage as in your house, as on the go, on your phone, wherever you might be. You can easily access the mobile application and watch what's happening in your business or in your household. So if you guys are looking for an HD security cam system like this one, you should definitely have to consider this one, because this one is definitely a recommendation from me. My name is Andre and I absolutely approve this message.